Right, here we are again with yet another used equipment list from the Lynch Emporium in Staines. Got lots and lots of second-hand gear to show you, so I thought I'd just do it myself and, you know, save like messing about getting other people in the video and doing camera work and guys with microphones and lighting, all the normal stuff that goes on with our videos. So nice and easy. I'm just going to press a little button here and you're going to see what I'm looking at. Yeah, and there it is. Right, so let's start off with all the second-hand gear that we have in stock at the moment. Used FT897. As you can see, that is in very, very nice condition. HF 2 and 6 and 70, as always. £495 for that. As you can see, it's certainly been looked after because these are rugged pieces of kit. They do tend to get bashed about a bit. So that one's £495, and in fact if we float down a little bit further, we've got a real minter here, another FT897 for £549. Again in superb condition, both boxed with books, etc. Sitting up next to that, another Yaesu prime piece of kit, the Yaesu FT8900. This of course is the two 76 and 10 metre mobile radio, although a lot of people buy them for base use. £199, and that really is in like new condition, as you can see, with the box, book and packing. The radio that started it all for sub size HF does everything radios, the ICOM IC706 Mark II-G. The G pointing out that it's got 70 SEMS as well as 2, 6 and HF. Nice condition, £499. As you know, remote panel, they've been around for years. The replacement for that was a 7000, and the replacement for that is a 7100, which we do get in from time to time. Slowly down from there, the Yaesu FTDX 1200 at £749. I do love these radios. We sell lots and lots of them, and to be frank with you, they're a bargain price. Quite how we're doing these new at just over £1,000 is beyond me, but if you want to save yourself another 250 quid, there you go, £749. Flex radio 6300. Still extremely popular. It's been superseded by the 6400. This has got the version 2 firmware upgrade in it, £1,299. So if you want to get yourself into decent SDR 100 watt bass, I would certainly recommend you look at that. This is absolutely pristine, and it's got the box, book and packing too. Talking of IC7100s, we do have a mint used one at £795. This is the unit with the remote head. So I think I showed this off a few weeks ago, not this one but another one. Again, absolutely mint that is, with the box, book and packing. Next to that, the very popular and still very current FT891 at £449. Absolutely pristine. And again, a good saving on list. And I do believe if I float over here, I've got another one, which the guy said he bought it and never used it. I'm not quite sure why he bought it, but that's £499. And that absolutely is like new, and so is all the packaging, because I actually unboxed this one. So two FT891s. Talking of twos, we've got two FT991s for sale in sterling condition. These aren't the A's, so you haven't got the waterfall feature on the display. Who the hell cares? Big saving though, £695, and a newer one in totally as new condition at £799. Going down from there, we don't get these very often, very often, but this is £999 worth or £95 worth of Kenwood TS2000X. That's the HF base with the 23 SEMS module included. So you really have got everything as a shack in the box. including the HF bands 2, 6 and 70. Next to that, we've got 30 watts output on 70 SEMS. There you go, little microwave modules, linear. Don't see microwave modules anymore. They went many years ago. We used to sell God knows how many of these in the early days. But if you've got 1 to 3 watts of drive, stick that on the end of your handheld or a low power transverter and you've instantly got 30 watts. Coming over, a little ICOM IC726. This was out from ICOM several years ago now. This is HF and 6 meters, a really great little starter radio, only £299, and that really is in brilliant nick, and it's got the box, book and packing. Above that, again an older ICOM rig, the ICOM IC718, same as the 726 really, but no 6 meters, box, book and packing. £349, and look at the condition of that, really is like new. Little 50 to 80 watt 2 meter linear amplifier, the Watson brand, 10 watts, 5 to 10 watts in, 80 out, SSB and FM, and it has got a preamp as well, and that's 79 quid. That's a cheap way of getting 50 to 80 watts output, isn't it, on 2 meters. Talking of used again, yet more LDG, the LDG Z100 Plus in as new condition, only £99 for that. So if you're looking at the Z100 Plus, it'll match any radio, it's not rig dependent. Literally squirt power in up to 100 watts and it will tune your antenna up to a 10 to 1 SWR. We've still got an expert here, 2KFA at 3999, or 3995 should I say. This is absolutely pristine with its box, book and packing. The guy thought he wanted lots of power, 2 kilowatts in fact in his shack. In fact he didn't, so he brought it back into us. There is a lot more to go through, but I think that's enough for now. I hope you've enjoyed my quick little walk around. So keep looking at our used equipment list. It's added to every day. I actually added a couple of bits this morning. If you don't see what you're looking for, give any of my sales guys a ring and they'll be delighted to help you. So until the next time, thank you for looking in and see you soon. Ta-ra!